Hello everyone, this is Maurice from the Triple M Auto Railroad. Just a quick video. Um, this is my G40 again, actually G40-P2 to be exact, UP. And the last video I actually had programmed the Gevo sounds for George, so he can actually hear the Lock Sound 5, made it with the Scale Sound System speakers. And it does sound pretty good. Now, there was another person by the name of, what is the guy's name? I believe his name is Scott Walters. For some reason, I just can't remember. But yeah, Scott had to laugh at myself sometimes. Scott has asked me to actually program the EMD sound, so he wants to hear that. So that's what I just did. So without further ado, let's get this started. Okay, what do I think? Now, it does sound good. It does sound better than the stock speakers. Even though I don't have a stock speaker to reference it with, um, but going by the type of speakers that Athearn uses, um, is not going to sound the same. I mean, scale sound system speakers are actually much richer in sound. Now, saying that, this camera phone, when it does recording, it actually amplifies the actual sound recording. So it sounds louder than what it is in real life. So at the moment of recording it, it does sound lower than the recording. So it's going to sound a lot louder with the camera phone for some strange reason. I mean, it does still sound good, but the volume is not as high. Now I can tweak the volume to get it a little bit higher, but I don't want to get it too high so that it will start distorting the sound, and then this whole exercise actually defeats the purpose. Um, from another YouTuber, gentleman by the handle of Fish Plate, he was saying that you really don't have to have the engines too loud. I mean, you really want to try to scale your sound um, to the actual size of the prototype, which I can understand. I get it. So you don't want things that's too loud, and then sounds will get pretty much distorted. But and all in all, it does sound has a richer tone to the sound of the locomotive, or the sound of the prime mover. With the shell on, it's going to sound better, and it's actually going to be a little louder, because the shell actually has or acts like a baffle in itself. The reason why I don't have the shell on is because I got to rework the wiring for the lights. So that is the reason why I haven't put it on. That's going to be a fun chore. I got to find out what's wrong with one of the headlights, and the ditch lights for some reason doesn't work. Dealing with these things sometimes a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. So do some troubleshooting one-on-one, and hopefully I don't have to change any of these LEDs. That would be a pisser if that's the case, but anyway. All right, so this is just a short run. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. I hope this answers Scott's question. That's how it sounds, and you can make your decision whether you want to get the scale sound system or not. So without further ado, I have to go, and I will see y'all guys later.